welcome to the weekly news update here on Cryptotvplus, and it is the 4th of March 2024. I'm your guide to everything crypto, Nike Oshunniyi. Let's jump straight into the headlines. Coming up, Bitcoin surges past $65,000, nears record high with unstoppable momentum. Right after, Omni network locks in a cool $600 million deal with Ether.Fi. South Korea checks out Worldcoin for data concerns. Finally, Indonesia's Watchdog advises finance ministry. Upcoming events and more to come, but quickly on the market trades today. Bitcoin is at $66,000, Ethereum's at $3,000, BNB's at $419, Solana is at $132, and dollar to naira rates are still above 1,000 naira to a dollar. Now let's get you updated on the crypto weekly news. We begin with some interesting news as Bitcoin has surged past $65,000 in Europe, inching closer to its record of $69,000 in November 2021. In the last 24 hours, Bitcoin rose over 5%, now up 26% in a week and 52% in a month, just 5% away from its all-time high. Now, the broader cryptocurrency market joined the rally. Ethereum Ether surpassed 3,500, and meme coins like Pepe, Pepcoin jumped 60%, hinting an all-time high trading volumes of $3.6 billion for frog-themed coins. Now, Pepcoin stands out, outpacing meme tokens like Shiba Inu SHIB and Dogecoin despite upgrades. Doge rose to 170%, while SHIB 200% in the past week. In other news, MetricsBox predicts Bitcoin hitting $63,000 by March 2024, citing factors like spot Bitcoin, ETF approval, upcoming halving, and interest rate cuts. Now, Bitwise CIO expects Bitcoin to exceed $80,000 thanks to successful spot ETFs driving institutional investment. Now, analysts at Bernstein are bullish too, forecasting Bitcoin surpassing $69,000 and potentially hitting $70,000 this year, citing a favorable risk-reward profile and no anticipated challenges. Stay tuned for more updates. Coming up in our next story, Omni Network has just sealed a groundbreaking $600 million deal with restaking protocol Ether.Fi. Now, this hefty sum is earmarked to beef up security for both the Omni testnet and mainnet, a move announced in a tweet on the 4th of March. Omni Network, a layer 1 interoperability blockchain, links Ethereum rollup security through restaking, aiming to reduce delays and improve the overall system. Now, the $600 million in Ether makes up nearly 33% of Ether.Fi's total value locked, currently at $1.88 billion. Now, Ether.Fi, the world's largest liquid restaking protocol, has seen a remarkable 163% increase in total value locked in the past month, according to DeFi Llama data. Now, this significant amount of Ether will be restaked on Eigen layer and leading Ethereum restaking protocol with an impressive $10.3 billion in value locked. Now, the strategic partnership follows closely on the heels of venture capital firm Andreessen Horowitz injecting $100 million into Eigen Layer just 2 weeks ago. Now, Eigen Layer also successfully concluded a $50 million funding round in March, led by Blockchain Capital. Exciting developments in the world of blockchain and risk-taking. More interesting news, as in a recent news, a committee in South Korea is looking into Worldcoin for gathering and handling sensitive information. Now, the investigation was started on the 29th of February by the Personal Information Protection Committee following complaints about the collection of personal data, including iris scanning. Now, currently, Worldcoin affiliates are collecting facial and iris recognition data at 10 locations in Korea. Now, the committee plans to examine the overall collection and transfer of personal information, and if any violations of the Personal Information Protection Act are found, appropriate action will be taken. Worldcoin, led by OpenAI CEO Sam Altman, has raised global privacy concerns due to its management of biometric data. Now, regulations in Germany, France, Britain, and Hong Kong have launched investigations into the project's handling of biometric information. Hong Kong's Privacy Commissioner Chong Ling has cautioned the public about the risks associated with participating in iris scanning activities. In response to concerns, Worldcoin temporarily halted its ORB verification service in India, Brazil, and France in December. In today's news wrap-up, the cryptocurrency regulator in Indonesia has asked the finance ministry to rethink the current tax on cryptocurrency transactions. Right now, cryptocurrencies are treated like commodities, and there's a 0.11% value-added tax and 0.1% income tax. Officials argue that this double taxation needs a second look. Tirakama Senya, head of agency overseeing this, suggests that the classification might change in 2025 when oversight shifts to the Financial Services Authority. Now, Tirta emphasized at an event in Jakarta that the cryptocurrency industry and its regulations are still new. He believes giving the industry room to grow until it can contribute significantly to the national revenue is appropriate. Now, the current tax setup has been in place since April 2022 and generated around $2.49 million in January 2024 alone. Now, Indonesia earned $41.2 million in cryptocurrency taxes in the previous year. In response to the request for the tax review, the Ministry of Finance assured that they would consider input from both industry players and the public. Finally, on blockchain events to come, crypto enthusiasts, get ready for the WOW Summit Hong Kong happening from the 26th to the 27th of March 2024. It's not just your average blockchain event, it's the ultimate meetup with Web 2 and Web 3 big shots. It's gonna be full of high-class networking, serious discussions, and a chance to uncover some sweet business opportunities. Plus, it promises a sprinkle of memorable moments to keep things interesting. Don't miss out on this exclusive blend of tech and fun. Mark your calendars. Now that wraps up this week's cryptocurrency news here on Crypto TV Plus. If you are hungry for more juicy market updates and the latest buzz in the blockchain and cryptocurrency space, head over to our website at cryptotvplus.com. Catch us on our social media as well, as we are on Facebook and X at Crypto TV Plus, on Instagram as well at Official Crypto TV Plus. Don't miss out on our daily scoop by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop. And hey, got burning questions about any of our stories or any of our news? Drop them in the comment section below and let's get the conversation started. Big thanks for tuning in. I'm once again Nike Oshunniyi, and until next time, stay crypto savvy.